On a worldwide basis, 1 in every 2 women lack the essential sanitary products due to their high costs. This inequitable situation, coupled with inaccessibility, has been made more apparent during this current COVID-19 pandemic. Many women are forced to search for alternative means, including clothes and blankets or unsanitary items, in order to manage their inevitable menstrual cycles. Today, unfortunately, these women are forced to view these menstrual products as more of a luxury when it should be considered a necessary commodity. One possible solution in alleviating period poverty and thereby contributing to positive female health is by reducing or eliminating costs associated with these feminine products. This, however, requires government collaboration in eliminating taxes or ensuring at least one sanitary product be made free for all menstruating women. Crown Her is a non-governmental organization initiative spearheaded by the Supermarket Association Initiative member, Dr. Nadira Rambokas, partnering with the Trinidad and Tobago Medical Association, Rotary Clubs of Piarco, Sangre Grande, St. Augustine, and St. Augustine West, as well as the Greater Tunapuna Chamber of Industry and Commerce.
Women between the reproductive ages of 12 to 52 often face challenges related to inappropriate, inadequate, and unsafe menstrual hygiene and sanitation. The problem is exacerbated every month, on average for 3 to 7 days. Discomfort is unfortunately not available to 1 in 2 women of the world's female population. Lack of adequate access to feminine hygiene products due to their high cost has forced girls to skip school and women to miss work as they resort to managing their menstrual cycles. Subsequently, this has led to an array of negative physical and social impact on women, girls, and families alike.
It is absolutely vital that every female in Trinidad and Tobago be provided with adequate feminine menstrual products. This is also an aspect of our sexual and reproductive health rights. So who will benefit from this wonderful initiative? The entire female population, especially the underserved, the government, as well as the overall economy. Our proposed solution to support the provision of at least 1 free sanitary product for all women in Trinidad and Tobago within the reproductive age of 12 to 52 years. Let's do this. We are, after all, your mothers, sisters, and daughters.
The Supermarket Association of Trinidad and Tobago represents the largest cross-section of retailers nationwide, including supermarket chains, grocery stores, independent supermarkets, corner shops, and so much more.
SAT's mission is to empower stakeholders through genuine support and added value. In 2021, SAT executed the first private-public partnership for a mass COVID-19 vaccination site and was responsible for vaccinating over 70,000 persons. That included employees from supermarkets, retailers, suppliers, distributors, corporate, and the general population.
We are continuing our support of stakeholders with the Period Poverty Project, which is an initiative to empower girls by giving them access to free menstrual care, as period poverty impacts education, health, and emotional well-being.
The Trinidad and Tobago Medical Association represents physicians within this country across all specialties and locations. Our vision is to champion healthcare excellence in Trinidad and Tobago, and we seek to achieve through our motto, teach, treat, mentor, and advocate. So in our role as advocates for healthcare excellence, the Trinidad and Tobago Medical Association fully supports the Period Poverty Project as an initiative which helps our nation's young girls and women take a step closer to closing the gender inequality gap and improving health.
Our corporate social responsibility initiatives range from youth in business, charitable programs including disaster relief, environmental initiatives, and the Period Poverty Project in order to improve access for young girls and women. After all, menstrual hygiene is a human right, period.
Far too often, we see situations in countries where stakeholders and citizens come together and effect change, whether it be a focus on community development, the environment, disease prevention, literacy, or other areas of concern.
Rotary allows us as members to come together either internationally, regionally, or locally to create lasting and meaningful change.
With Crown Her TT, we will be working together with NGOs and organizations to tackle the issue of period poverty.
This initiative focuses on the empowerment of girls under Rotary's specific area of focus for water, sanitation and hygiene, where Rotary clubs execute projects that improve water, sanitation and hygiene services,
so that girls can safely manage their menstrual hygiene without sacrificing their education, and this would include, among other things, access to sanitary napkins.
Hashtag Crown Her.
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 Hashtag Crown Her. Hashtag Crown Her.
Hashtag Crown Her.
Hashtag Crown Her.
Hashtag Crown Her.
Hashtag Crown Her.
Hashtag Crown Her.